Welcome, today in front of me Blackshark 5 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store, and here in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just tap here to open the app and click enable in settings. Then near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to OK and again OK. After that, just go back and click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, and then just tap here to OK. Now we can see that the process is finished, and let's go, for example, here into the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.